And I think this truck is totaled, actually.
Warren Williams spent this day surveying the damage.
Right, this is how far the water came up, right in here.
And assuming the high water had totaled his truck.
I think it would take too much to really repair it.
A few feet away, owners of a stranded food truck were struggling to get going again.
A lot of water is all built in here. You start it, and it goes right down inside the motor.
They were parked here at 35th and Hillen on Wednesday when flash floods stranded some vehicles and washed others down the road. Even a city bus couldn't escape the wrath of Mother Nature.
Like I said, it's, just year after year, the same old thing happens, and we'll never really get nowhere.
For Warren Williams, it's the fourth truck he's lost since living on this block.
See that? Over top the engine there? The water's been up that far.
Williams says the drains in this area are hardly capable of handling a flood.
The drains on the street, the pipe work is too small for the amount of water that comes down the street.
Williams and his wife have spent decades complaining to the city, but the water keeps rising. This is their street when it flooded back in 1957. And since then, their home has flooded 8 separate times.
We were trying to get out a window one time because the water was coming up so far in the house.
Today, Odette Ramos, who's vying to represent this area on the city council, says the city has responded in the past.
Years ago to put in bigger pipes and more drains, and I think we're just going to have to go back to the drawing board.
But the long-timers here aren't convinced it'll ever change. All that's left is a flood of frustration.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Mm-hmm.